Hey guys. Alright, today we got unboxing video. Unboxing headset. Let's get into it. We have the HyperX Cloud Stinger S. We're gonna just open this puppy up. Wow. It's almost as if I already opened this and forgot to unmute my mic. Where'd the other part of it go? Oh well. This, you can't really see. These are the instructions. I don't know if you can read them. Oh, my face! Oh. Alright guys, so basically, wow, I wonder how I can push this to 10 minutes. Wow. Yeah, you want to see something funny that I kind of did on purpose? Guys, look at my old headset. It's the same thing. I just got an upgraded version. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, this is so cool. This is really cool, guys. Wow, I love HyperX. Not sponsored. Oh, this one feels really nice. Much newer. Yeah, this feels all old. All old. It stopped working. My mic stopped working. For just a split second. I love HyperX. Yeah, I can test it out by playing Fortnite. Hold on, let me exit out of a few windows. Alright, we in Fortnite. We in Fortnite. I am recording. Right? Yes. Let's test out the awesomeness of the HyperX Cloud Stinger S. Not sponsored. It's too bad that my game keeps losing frames.